Hey everyone, so I'm getting ready for a night out and I thought I will show you what my makeup looks like today. Starting off with my skincare, I've used the Dot and Crease Ceramide Moisturizer. To top it off, I've used this hydrating primer from Maybelline, and to get that glow from within, I've used the MAC Strobe Cream as well. Now to start off, I'm using my favorite Forever 52 concealer to hide the dark circles and also even out my skin tone. I'm just going to apply very little amount wherever it's required so that it beautifully evens out my skin tone without actually making my face cakey. We'll let this concealer sit for some time and move on to the eyebrows. I'm using the Etude House eyebrow pencil. Now that the concealer has been sitting there for some time, we'll go ahead and blend it. I'm using the PAC concealer brush to blend out my concealer, and as you can see, it's already making my skin look so much more smoother and even skin tone. Now using my favorite glow foundation from Shiseido. This foundation is perfect for the days you want that super glowy base and you don't want that heavy or cakey feeling, especially when you are attending a night event or going for some night out. You don't want loads of heavy makeup on your face, and that's when it comes really handy because it gives you such a beautiful skin glow. Now for the concealer, I'm using the Dior Forever Skin Correct Concealer. I'm applying very little amount of it because we've already applied the corrector concealer. I'm just going to apply it wherever it's only required, just gently tapping the concealer in its place so that it's a bit highlighted as well. Now the key to get the flawless base for a night look, all of the products, you need to make sure that you're applying very less quantity of it. For the cream blush, I'm using this super glowy dewy blush from Rare Beauty. This shade looks super natural and so beautiful on my skin tone. I love applying this. Now with the Q-tip, I'm just actually removing whatever has settled in my fine lines, and now using the Huda Beauty loose setting powder, I'm applying under my eyes, setting it out with the compact powder from Maybelline. This hack is something I saw all over Instagram to get that flawless creaseless under eye, and this was the first time I tried it, but let me tell you, it worked really well. For my eyes, I'm using this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. I'm just intensifying my eyes and my crease with a little bit of brown eyeshadow. Now to top it off, I'm going to apply this beautiful glitter eyeshadow that I used on my wedding day also. So it beautifully sparkles and glitters when you are moving around. Just some little specks of glitter all over my eyelid. Now to define my eyes further, I've just applied a brown eyeshadow eyeliner. And now to bake, I'm using the Huda Beauty loose setting powder, applying some transition shade on my under eyes as well, curling my eyelashes, applying some mascara. This is one of my favorites now. It's the Maybelline Colossal Bubble Mascara. And for a little bit of that warmth, I'm applying this Rimmel London bronzer. This is a beautiful powder bronzer. Now for the powder blush, I'm going to use my favorite Natasha Denona Bloom Face Glow palette. This has cream blush, powder blush, cream highlighter and powder highlighter as well. This is one of my favorite blushes. I'm just going to top off the powder bronzer with a little bit of this MAC Cosmetics Global Glow. As you can see, it has given me so much glow from within. I absolutely love that bronzer. Setting everything up with the Daily Forever 52 Longwear Fixing Spray and applying a little bit of highlighter from the same Bloom Face Glow palette from Natasha. Now my base looks even more perfect. Applying a little bit in my inner corner as well, and now we are done. After a quick dinner break, I'm back again. As you saw, I've already done my makeup, just the lips are pending. But before that, I want to show you what I'm wearing for today's event. It's a night event, so I'm planning on wearing black, and it's a very, very cute outgoing dress which I'm very, very excited to wear and style. So let me show you. So this is the dress that I recently got from Amazon, and it's a cotton dress only, but since it's black, it's very, very wearable at night. And if you wear accessories along with it, it will definitely fit the night out vibe for sure. So this is how the dress looks like. It has this collar, and it's cinched at the sleeves as well. And the best part is there is a little bit of frill going on. So let me wear it and I'll show you what it looks like. I think I'm in love with this dress. It's super, super cute, and it's the right length. It's really comfortable to wear for a night out, and it's black. So I love all things about this dress. Now for the lips, this is my very, very recent discovery. So I just got it, I think, 1 or 2 days ago. It's the Nivea Caring Beauty with 30 SPF. It's a lip balm. This is a bit of a cherry red kind of a shade. It gives you a little bit of tint and also moisturizes your lips. So it's the perfect lip balm. I'll let this lip balm sit for some time. Meanwhile, I'll show you my accessories. So these are few of the accessories I got from Meesho like long time back. This is one of the handcuffs that I got from Meesho, and it looks really, really pretty. And I think it goes perfectly with my dress today. Also, I got this bangle set from Meesho. So I'm just going to wear not all of them, but a few of them, mix and match with this handcuff. And let's see how it goes. I love this. I'm going to pair it with these earrings. I think it looks good for now, but we'll see and change it up if we don't like it at the end. I'm just going to remove this lip balm a little bit because we don't want this much tint. Now for the lip combo, I'm using the lip liner from Mars Cosmetics. It's the Edge of Desire lip liner in the shade Cinnamon Roll. For the lip gloss, I'm thinking of trying this one. It's from Elf Cosmetics. It's their lip lacquer, and it is in the shade Wild Rose. It looks really, really good. I think I'm going to remove these earrings because it is not going with this jewelry. So I'll wear something gold. I think I'll go ahead with these hoops. I think that looks much, much better. We don't need any more gloss or shine, but I still want to apply a little bit of the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. This is in the shade Topaz. It's almost about to be over. I've used it so much and I absolutely love this shade. But next time I'm definitely going to try more shades from the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. Now I'm all set to head out for the event today. Let me know how you guys liked watching today's video, and if you did, make sure that you hit the thumbs up button and comment down below if you liked my makeup today or my dress or the jewelry that I'm wearing. That is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have made it till the end, thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you hit thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in my next one. Till then, bye.